Pakistani government has had a national security meeting that involves senior government officials and senior security officials. The Prime Minister, speaking after that, said that the army is authorized to act in self-defense with corresponding actions, and he called on the army to avenge the loss of innocent Pakistani lives. Among the dead, we're told, is a 3-year-old girl, a 16-year-old girl, an 18-year-old boy. It is, of course, emotionally charged when women and children are injured in these strikes. India alleges, as you heard there, that this was a strike that was preempting a terrorist attack on them, and has blamed Pakistan for being involved in that attack on the 22nd. India hasn't provided Pakistani officials, this was what we're told, with evidence that Pakistan was involved in that 22nd of April attack that killed 26 civilians. Neither have they so far provided evidence of an imminent attack coming from Pakistan. What Pakistan did last night was take down, they say, 5 Indian fighter jets, at least wreckage of what appears to be one plane falling about 40 miles over the border on the Indian side of Kashmir. And I think it's worth just stating here that the leader of a militant group in Pakistan, Jaish-e-Mohammed, said that 10 of his family members, including children, were killed in the strike. His most recent Telegram posting was a threat against India, and his group in 2019 claimed an attack that again spiked tensions, killing 40 Indian security people inside Indian-controlled Kashmir. So India hitting this group called Jaish-e-Mohammed. Now Pakistani officials say that one time there was support for that group, but that isn't the case now.
Alrededor de las 9 de la noche, tiempo local aquí en el Vaticano, cuando se observó salir humo negro desde la chimenea instalada en la parte superior de la Capilla Sixtina, lo que fue un indicativo de que aún no hay papa elegido, no hay sucesor de Pedro, no sabemos quién es el papa número 267 aún. Fueron alrededor de 45,000 personas concentradas aquí en la Plaza de San Pedro y a lo largo de la Vía de la Conciliación, según cifras oficiales de la oficina de prensa de la Santa Sede. Ahora habrá que esperar a mañana, cerca de las 8 de la mañana, tendrán que salir los cardenales de la residencia instalada en Casa Santa Marta para proceder con la ronda de votaciones. Serán 2 por la mañana y 2 por la tarde. Estas jornadas posiblemente nos permitirán ya conocer humo blanco, o no lo sabemos, quizás sean 2 o 3 días los que se demore. Eso es cuestión de que la moneda sigue en el aire, no hay sucesor de Pedro aún.